This material now flows forward. Stabilizes form.
Control defines quality.
Perfection is verified instantly. Every dollar begins far from banks, rooted in the earth itself. Precision harvesting ensures consistency from the very first step.
Only the purest fibers qualify for currency-grade paper.
Raw material is secured immediately to protect integrity. From field to facility, security never pauses. The journey toward transformation begins. Agriculture meets industry in perfect alignment.
Every gram is logged, every movement recorded.
This is where money truly takes shape.
Every batch enters a controlled system, Raw fibers move forward, one step closer to becoming currency.
Inside the facility, movement follows strict pathways. Accuracy here prevents errors downstream.
Automation replaces handling wherever possible. Security remains constant, even in motion.
Vertical space maximizes efficiency.
Every transfer is digitally recorded. Nothing moves without authorization. Layers of control guide the journey. Even motion is engineered. Conditions are controlled before processing begins. Transport ends where transformation starts. Now, the real work begins.
Behind these walls, money is manufactured, not printed casually.
Every entry is verified, every exit tracked.
Security here is constant and layered.
Human access is as controlled as materials.
Inside, order replaces chaos.
Scale defines modern currency production. Consistency protects the process.
Movement here is engineered.
Only authorized processes proceed.
Raw material enters under constant watch. Preparation gives way to processing. Transformation officially begins. Before money is made, purity is enforced. Unwanted material is eliminated immediately. Air becomes the first refining tool. Even invisible threats are removed.
Human judgment reinforces automation.
Uniform fibers mean uniform strength. Only approved material moves forward.
Nothing here goes to waste.
Moisture prepares fibers for transformation.
Data confirms readiness.
Clean fibers enter the heart of production. The paper-making process is about to begin. Here, fibers lose their form to gain purpose. Force and water rewrite structure. Precision defines when to proceed. The base material now flows forward. Uniformity is non-negotiable. Temperature locks consistency in place. Nothing leaves until it meets standard. Data clears the path forward. The slurry is ready to become paper. Structure returns, this time controlled. From liquid to layer, structure begins. Water leaves, fibers stay.
Controlled pressure refines density.
Pressure gives paper its strength. Strength is built in stages. Heat stabilizes form. Nothing escapes measurement. Preparation for ink begins now. Stability is locked in. Control defines quality. Human eyes confirm machine data. The foundation of money is complete. Automation takes control at scale. Every movement follows a programmed path. One room oversees an entire economy. Precision begins before ink touches paper. Machines self-correct in milliseconds. Even ink is precisely controlled. Security patterns are pressed into history. Perfection is verified instantly. Intelligence watches every detail.
Quality dictates pace.
Printed money moves under protection.
Automation hands off to refinement. Precision tightens at every step. Layers add complexity and security.
Details beyond the naked eye.
Hidden safeguards pass inspection. Texture makes authenticity felt.
Ink is locked for decades.
Size is standardized exactly.
One cut defines uniformity. Edges reveal craftsmanship.
Identity is assigned.
Security hides in plain sight.
Finished, but not yet approved.
No dollar passes without approval.
Machines see what humans can't.
Human judgment confirms perfection.
Security proves itself silently. Durability is tested, not assumed.
Strength defines lifespan.
Every millimeter matters.
Every dollar is uniquely accounted for.
Imperfection never leaves this room. Cleared for circulation. Now ready for the world.
Standards are upheld until the last moment.
The final journey begins here. Security is sealed into every bundle. Accuracy confirms value.
Individual value becomes collective power.
Scale transforms volume into logistics. Protection extends to the last layer. Billions wait in controlled silence.
Every pallet is accounted for.
From factory to circulation.
Security never relaxes.
And this is how modern factories produce dollars from start to finish.
Comment what's next.